Hi, and welcome to the ninth section of this course, Azure Storage Security. In this section, we will try to take a look at the best practices from the security standpoint and take a look at the SaaS. We will also take a look at the firewalls and how we can manage virtual networks on Azure premises. We will also take a look at the HTTP or the HTTPS connections, and we will also take a look at how Azure secures our data while it is being stored on the Azure data centers. Exploring account access keys. In this video, we will take a look at how we can authenticate the users using the Azure Storage account level keys, or how to authorize the access using SaaS keys. And lastly, I will also try to provide you a few tips on how to better utilize these services. The account level keys are the keys that are made available to you globally for the Azure Storage account that you create. Azure provides you with two keys that you can use, and we have already seen how we can use these keys in the connection strings while connecting to the service. The account level keys grant permission to everything that is created or stored inside that account, including containers, files, tables, or queues. Less permissive types of keys include the resource level SaaS keys. SaaS keys typically allow permissions to access a resource, a container, or a special service such as the queues. You can grant access for a specific time period. You can even grant access to multiple services, multiple permission rules such as write or read permissions. And similarly, once the SaaS token expires, nobody can access the service. Apart from this, a SaaS key can be used to temporarily grant access to a resource. You should also consider using SaaS keys to grant access to users of your organization, because SaaS tokens can easily be invalidated, and thus you can manage a higher level of authorization and authentication within the corporate. In the previous videos, we tried to create a SaaS key, but we did that programmatically using C# code. On the Azure portal, you can use the shared access signature blade and create a new SaaS key. In the form, you get to select the allowed services, the resource types, the permissions that the user would have, the starting and the expiry date time, and any other options such as which IP addresses can utilize this. And once you are happy with the permissions and the services that you have selected, you can click on Generate SaaS, and Azure will generate the token, and it will also generate the URLs for each of the individual service that you can use, and you can send these links to the customers and have them utilize the services for the time span that you want them to consume the services.